Stop shutting off my camera. 3 different times while I was trying to get this, they shut my video off. Sometimes I think that's what those flashes are, is them trying to shut off my camera. Cause you see, I was gonna go in till you kept shutting off my camera. So now, I'm not going in. They made me mad. Even though it's 100 degrees and I'm sweating like crazy, I'm gonna stay out and see what they don't want me to see. Haha, you didn't get me that time. You'd have been better off to let me finish that last video, and then I would have went inside. But you thought you'd be cute and shut my camera off. Yeah, and I'm onto your birds too. Every time they fly over now, I will shut my video off and start it over again. And then I'll edit them out before I share it. You and your little algorithm. Not let nobody see the video birds. Yep, I'm on to you. Had enough. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is why my neighbors probably think I'm crazy. Because I'm always out here talking to the sky. But seriously, I look down all the time and my phone's camera is turned off. I didn't hit the button. It just turned off on its own. Or I'll be out here taping and the next thing I know, my battery's dead. Or I don't have any storage in my phone. This kind of stuff happens all the time now. And the worst is when I'm out here videotaping and think I got something really great and I go back in and the video's just gone. I know I'm not the only one that this kind of stuff is happening to. And I know that a lot of people's videos are being suppressed right now. I try not to let that discourage me from getting out there and taking a couple of clips every day at least. And I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who continues to watch my videos, all 50 or 60 of you that they actually allow to see them. Because on Facebook, I have 7,000 friends over there, and I won't get any views on these videos. They're completely hidden. So I really do appreciate those of you over here who get to watch them. If I ever get to 1,000, I'll start going live, and then you'll get to hear me ramble even more.